Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Gambwin.com. So if you don't know what this is, based on the name, it's basically a site that will help you or will let you gamble and will actually give you free things just by signing up. But I highly doubt that it's true, and they even have an edited picture of Mr. Beast on their homepage. So as you can see, we have it here on their Trustpilot, and they're rated 3.4 out of 5 stars with only 2 reviews. But before we get into the review, this is why I exactly why I made my research guide, so you guys don't have to wait for me to tell you if something is legit or not. So you can check the link down below for the product. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, 5-star, he's helpful, blah blah blah, blah. And 1-star for a KOC, want the deposit minimum. So there's a 5-star and 1-star review. But since there isn't a lot of information on this website, it is very shady. And if you actually try and go to their website right here, as you can see, Gambwin.com, and we press and enter, as you can see, it says suspected phishing. So please guys, do not go to this website. Just by going to this website itself, it can put you in harm. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.